Good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's doing okay today. I got a couple of packages yesterday, and I've opened the outside edge just so it doesn't make it hard on camera, but I have not gotten into them yet. One is from MichaelAnne. One is from Rainy Day Journals, which is Shirley. So I'm going to open these real quick and see what we got. Let me do this one first just because I'm on left-handed and it's on my left hand, or on my left side. Shirley is part of our group, Junk Journal Gypsies. I love all my girls and guys. We have a guy in group too, which I think is great. We all kind of have a long history together over the last couple years, so it's neat, you know, to see everybody. It's pretty papers. I think that's a poppy. I always get poppies and peonies confused. Oh, thank you, Miss Shirley. That's sweet as it can be. Shirley and I both are a little gypsy, we tell each other. Aw, that's just adorable. Thank you. Aw, I love it. See, that's when you're around people long enough, in groups long enough, you get to know one another. That's the sweetest thing ever, Shirley. Thank you, babe. You get to know each other, and you get to have fun, and all of those things. Oh, she told me about this fabric, and she showed me. Oh, it's Tim Holtz fabric, guys. Look. Wow. I've never had any Tim Holtz fabric that I know of. I don't have much fabric yet. I'm still working on that. I'm kind of particular, so, you know, if it didn't speak to me, that's pretty, though. I love that. It's, I don't know if it's coming across. It's kind of a greeny, kind of like a mossy, greeny blue. I don't know. Hard to explain. Oh, I bumped the camera. I'm so sorry. That's beautiful, MichaelAnne. Time cards. These are the triple ones. Triple time cards. That's pretty cool. I have some that are the long ones that are just regular ones. So 2 of those. Looky, y'all. I'm going to put this in my farm journal that we're doing for the challenge for this month. The little piggy. But that's pretty. That'll go too, because mine is pink. I love this napkin. I love pigs. I love goats, chickens, just about everything. Oh, and these are farm charms. She told me about these guys. There's a goat in here. I gotta find the goat. It is a goat. How stinking cute is that? And a rooster. And another goat. I love goats. I have little Nigerian dwarfs. They're like tiny, tiny goats. There's another rooster. There's the piggy. There's the cow. These are just too cute. That's the cow and a goat. Too cute. Thank you, sister. I appreciate them. I love them. I'm going to use those, some of those, in the challenge journal. And then I'm going to try to get a second challenge journal made. I kind of, this month has thrown me off. Let me tell you why. I'm not a rain kind of person. And it has done just that for a month almost. Well, I say that like 4 days out of the last month it hasn't rained, and we typically don't get a lot of rain, so it's affecting me. Like, I own a small farm. The water is everywhere. You can't go out and feed without getting it up to your knees, you know, and then you're taking 3 or 4 showers a day, and the poor horse is like really more mud. So that has me thrown off doing things that I normally do. Which has me kind of in a funk. I don't know. I never thought per se that, you know, I was affected. You know, they say seasonal affective disorder or whatever it is. I never thought that I had an issue with that, but I can tell you right now that if it rains much longer, I'm gonna have bad issues. And we're scheduled to have rain for like the next 6 or 7 days, I believe it is, which is driving me crazy. I still have stuff to get in the ground as far as the garden. And so it's just slow going. And I think it's kind of got me in a funk. So I'm trying to get out of it. I'm fighting it, but you know how that goes. So thank you, girls. I love you both. Y'all are sweet as can be. I'm really, really excited about this farm journal. Mostly because it's not something that I've seen done in groups per se. We all tend to stick with themes that normally are effective across the board. And I think it's good to reach out and do a little something different. And that's why it's a challenge. So Miss Laura is going to do our June challenge. And I think y'all are going to like it. She'll do a video on it. And it'll be posted in group. If y'all aren't a member of the group, I'll put a link down below. We're pretty small. We're not even to 300 members yet. We're like at 240 something, I think. Everybody's allowed to share. You can go live if you want to go live. I do ask that, you know, you don't blow up the feed with Etsy links and stuff like that. If you have a project and you're working on it and somebody says, hey, you know, do you have an Etsy store? Go ahead and leave it in the comments. I don't have a problem with that. But let's just not share just Etsy links. Let's not do that to one another. Because, you know, we're all on the same page, and it's not an Etsy shop group link group. I certainly don't mind yours being shared in proportion to how it needs to be. We don't have a set creator. I am not a creator per se of digitals, so I'm not a big stickler for that, but I do want us to keep it respectful of each other. So, I have some new things coming from some shops that I've kind of connected with. So, maybe we'll see when that stuff gets there. We'll put it up in a video and see how that goes. Thank you, Rainy Day Journals. Shirley is Rainy Day Journals. MichaelAnne on YouTube is just MichaelAnne right now. I think she's going to brand her channel with a name, though. So, y'all, be kind to each other. If y'all are doing the May journal challenge, next month will not be a journal. It's going to be a smaller challenge. So keep an eye out for that. If y'all are doing the May challenge, we'll on the 30th that night, once I get Emma in bed or asleep or calm down, we'll do the little video live for that in group. I'd love to see all of y'all. So if you get a chance, post pictures of it or go live and flip through it. If there's some of you that want to swap, you're welcome to do that. Just get with each other. If you see somebody's and say, oh, I really like that, will you swap with me? You know, they can always say no, but they could say yes too. You never know. That's all I have for right now. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, guys. Thanks.